To this day, I still remember just like the feeling of walking into my apartment and finding my ex with another bitch in the shower. Hold up, 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 hold up. Right now, I had to call you where you know that. So my eyebrows are done, you guys. I am going to be doing my makeup, a pretty soft glam look, and I actually am going out tonight to a lounge. I'm going to this lounge called Boogaloo in Atlanta. And I was like, at least I get to wear my makeup that I'm about to do. So, get started with the look today. I am going to go in with a little bit of this right here as my transition color. This is a Morphe palette that I have that I cannot remember the name of this palette. I don't know why I can't remember the name of it, but whatever. So I'm gonna just put it here as just my transition for now on both sides. I'm gonna put the description of what palettes that I have down here so you guys can see. I'm gonna go out with a bigger fluffy brush and go back into the same color, kind of shake it off and just kind of make sure it really is in there. But what was I gonna say? Oh my god, you guys, I really wanted to talk about this Cardi B and Offset situation, which I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. I'm gonna go on with this fluffier brush here. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and with going into it, I'm gonna just kind of get it all on the lid. So I'm not gonna do nothing like really big. I'm trying to make this as kind of simple and beautiful as much as I can. Okay. But yeah, you guys, this Offset and Cardi B situation, me and Boy was having a conversation about it, and people were like making fun of her, talking about some, obviously the WAP wasn't enough to keep your man, and obviously you got to do more than cook, clean and cook. What she said? You gotta know more than just cooking, cleaning, and fucking to keep a man. But let's be honest, it's like if a woman is going through something like that, you would think that people would have more sympathy for her. Because as a woman, how much can you really take from one person? Like, real shit. How much can you really take from that one person? I don't know. I don't know. I guess for me, it comes down to one of the situations like Offset has humiliated this woman constantly. She even got a charge because she was trying to beat your hoes up. So it's like, as a woman, I'm proud of Cardi because it takes a lot to leave a relationship with a man who says sorry, who claims he loves you, but he is constantly still doing the same old fucking shit. Cheating on you. Like, I don't know. Personally, I feel for Cardi in this situation. I really do. I really feel for Cardi because I truly believe in my heart that Cardi B loved the fudge out of Offset. Like, I know she loves that man. And it's like, I hope that they got a divorce because of their own reasoning and not because he cheated. Because if he cheated on that woman again, that really means niggas ain't shit. Like, niggas not shit. Like, men will put their own... I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of buff this out because it's a bit rough. With this, I'm gonna clean it out. And I'm gonna kind of buff out this so it's not too harsh. I'll buff that out. But it really, really mean niggas not shit, though. I'm gonna cut my crease, you guys. When it comes to the Cardi situation, you guys, all I can say is watch these men, watch these men. These men will love you, will claim that they love you. They'll claim that they're gonna change, and they're gonna do you fucking wrong. And like, I feel like as women, we really have to uplift each other more. Like, making fun of another woman with what she going through is so, that's like the quickest way to make me upset. Like, what you're not going to do, I don't give a fuck. If I don't like someone, I will never, and I repeat, I will never, ever wish bad on not a soul. Especially not a woman going through heartbreak. I'm sorry, like, heartbreak, that fucks with your mental. I would never wish even my worst enemy to go through any type of pain. I've gone through pain with heartbreak, and to this day, I'm fighting to this day, like, to this day, I still remember just like the feeling of walking into my apartment and finding my ex with another bitch in the shower. And if y'all haven't seen that story time, I'm gonna leave it up there. But that, I don't wish that on not a soul. I'm just putting some powder on this, you guys. I always do that. I have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this little pretty blushy color. I'm gonna just lightly tap it on my concealer. As you guys can kind of see. There was a post that I seen about the Cardi B and Offset situation that I really, really loved. It said, what is it? It said Cardi B can get herself a new Offset. Offset can get himself a new Cardi B, and that's on period. The reason I say it's on period is because, like, Cardi B can get another rapper, another guy who makes just as much money as Offset. But what could Offset get? Offset is gonna have to get another, probably a groupie or some model. You're not gonna have Cardi B, some rapper who's also, let's be honest, she's into politics. She does a whole bunch of stuff. It's like, in the end, I hope Cardi B looks at it like, you're lost, baby boy. You're motherfucking lost. You're lost, baby boy. So I'm going back in with that same orange, the softer one, on the inner corners. And then I'm gonna kind of go in there a little bit with that darker color that I had in the beginning. This one right here. Was it that one? Or was it this one? I can't remember. Fuck. I'm gonna clean it up with this. Just buff it out a little bit. Ooh, so pretty. After my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Hangover primer, which I've been loving this primer. A part of me been wanting to buy the milk primer. Ugh. So I know you guys are probably gonna be thinking, what hairstyle is she gonna have now? So I actually don't have a hairstyle, you guys. I have braids in. I have braids in, you guys. Yeah, I have braids in. Like, yeah, I feel like this is my first time with braids on my channel, so yeah. I got braids in, y'all boys. Since I'm going out tonight, I'm gonna use my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation. And I'm gonna be honest, I have not used this foundation in so long. I'm gonna try not to OD, but I'm looking and I've already OD'd. I'm going to definitely go light with the makeup for going out tonight. Why? Because I don't know if it's gonna be hot. And honestly, I really just don't wanna wear a lot of makeup. If this is a natural beat, I don't feel like for natural beats they need a lot of makeup. Like, I'm using this big fluffy brush for my foundation. I'm gonna put on some concealer. I'm gonna do my Tarte concealer. I'm not gonna be heavy-handed with my Tarte concealer either. So I want this gonna kind of give me a natural vibe. So to finish our conversation about Cardi B that we are having, I hope if Offset did cheat on Cardi, I hope she fucking take his ass to the fucking cleaner. Take everything. You know why I say take everything? I'm not really a petty bitch, but you know why I say take everything? Because you are literally dealing with court stuff because of this man. You have literally been his ride or die, being publicly humiliated. And for him to just do this, if he cheated, like, we don't really know what's going on. We're not in their life, so we really don't know what's going on. But if that man cheated, take his ass to the motherfucking cleaner. Take it all. Take every penny that you can muster up. So I went ahead and conceal. I'm gonna go ahead and bake with my Airspun. So yeah, I hope she takes his ass to the motherfucking cleaners because he really does deserve it. If that's what he did. If they both came to a mutual decision that this relationship not working and they want to go ahead and just break it off, then that's their business. But Cardi, sis, if that nigga did you dirty, like, I'm a big fan of Nicki Minaj, but I'm also a fan of Cardi B. I feel like every girl has a little bit of Cardi B in her, and I feel like we all have a little bit of Nicki in us. And a little Megan. And a little bit of City Girls. What else? And a little bit of Mulatto. Like, and a little bit of Tokyo Jets. Let's be honest. I know I'm looking white on camera, you guys, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna bring the color back to my face. You guys have seen me contour 1,000 times, so I'm gonna just skip that part. I'm using my Anastasia contour that you guys will see, and it is a powder, not a cream. But yeah, you guys have seen me contour 1,000 times, so I'm gonna just skip through this. Okay, so I went ahead and contoured, you guys. I'm about to just spray it up. I always OD on the Morphe. I don't never OD on the Revolution, but I always OD on the Morphe. I'm gonna use my Anastasia highlighter here and just buff it in there. I try not to OD with the highlighter because I tend to OD with the highlighter. Okay, that's good. Down the bridge of my nose. Okay. I'm gonna go in, and at the bottom of my lash on the corner, I'm gonna go back in with this darker orange here. Okay. So contour, got this. I'm gonna look for a lippy. Just going with this double espresso by Milani. I'm gonna just tad it in the nail. So the nude lip that I'm doing keeps that brown nude. Since I don't have like a really good nude at base, I'm gonna go with another Milani, which I don't know the name of. I kind of go around it like this. And then my lips look weird. And then I'm gonna top it off with Revolution. And here I can see it's turning nude-ish. I'm actually running out. What the fuck? What? This is literally the lipstick look. I cannot run out right now. What the fuck? What the freaking fuck is this? Damn. I literally have no more. So now my lips look. I'll be back, y'all. So I'm gonna just stick with this lip. I kind of mixed a whole bunch of lipsticks together, and I was like, I'm gonna make something happen. And baby, it does not look that bad. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my hair, and y'all will see the finished product. Okay, you guys, so this is the final product, and bitch, let me get a little close here, you can see. Like, I look so adorable. Like, bitch, I outdid myself now. Y'all please give me my motherfucking props in the comments, please, because I really outdid myself. Like, and yeah, and this is also the braids, y'all. Oh my god, I need to tell you about these braids. So the lady that actually did my braids, so she was running late because she's a teacher. So she came, we started at like 5:55, and she knocked out these braids in like 3 hours. I'm talking, this is all you saw her hands doing. Just twisting away, and like it was moving quick. It was so crazy because she started doing my hair at 5:55. We got out of there about 9. Like, she was moving, and I knew she was fast because when she did my sister and my cousin's hair, she did both of them, and I swear to god it was less than 4 hours for both of them. She worked on those heads 2 hours a piece. Like, she's really good. And I'm gonna leave her info in my description box as well, for her IG, if y'all want to go get your hair done and y'all ATL and want to get some bomb ass braids. Y'all see this pattern? Do y'all see this pattern? But yes, you guys, so this is the final look. Yes, so thank you guys for watching. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. It was nice kind of talking to y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.